Hello guys, today I am with ASUS Zenfone 6 and I wanna show you how to clone the same application in this phone. So let's start from open the settings, click on the advanced, now go to the twin apps, and here you have to choose which one of supported application you want to clone. So I will go with the YouTube. Okay, now as you can see, it's added successfully. So here's the first, and here it is the second. So of course now we can use both of these applications. It's the same. So thank you for watching. Leave likes, subscriptions, and of course comment below.